Hello guys. Now I wanna introduce myself. My name is Revan. I'm from class D. My student number is U1A025160 from the Law Study Program, and also my course instructor is Mr. Karadi. Now guys, I wanna explain that one case. The case is the death of Timothy, a student of Udayana University. We know that this case went viral among the public, especially among students in Indonesia. Now I'll start my explanation from the background of the case and legal issue. What becomes the background of the case is the death of Timothy, a student of Udayana University, which raised serious legal, ethical, and institutional concerns. The case attracts public attention due to the question surrounding the circumstance of his death and the role of relevant parties, including the university authorities and law enforcement against. The case started when Timothy was found deceased, and the incident was subsequently reported to the authorities. Following the event, various narratives emerged regarding the handling of the case, including the adequacy of the investigation and the response of institutional actors responsible for student welfare and safety. The main legal issue is whether there was negligence or failure of duty of care on the part of certain parties, particularly the university or other responsible institution, that may have contributed to the incident or affect the proper handling of the case. Afterward, another important issue is whether the investigation process met the standards of due process, transparency, and accountability under Indonesian law. I'll next with the relevant law part. The legal framework applicable to this case includes several areas of Indonesian law. Under Article 359 of the Indonesian Criminal Code, as known as KUHP, any person whose negligence results in the death of another may be subject to criminal liability if it can be proven that a party failed to exercise reasonable care. Where such care was legally required, criminal responsibility may arise. In addition, Article 1365 of the Indonesian Civil Code provides that any unlawful act that cause harm to another obliges the wrongdoer to compensate for the damage. If negligence or omission by an institution causes harm, civil liability may also be considered. From an institutional perspective, universities have a duty of care toward their students, derives from general principle of administrative and civil law as well as regulation governing higher education. This duty includes providing a safe environment, adequate supervision, and appropriate response when critical incidents occur. Furthermore, under the principle of human rights and good governance, the state and its institutions are required to ensure the protection of the right to live and conduct effective investigation when a death occurs under questionable circumstances. I'll next evaluation of case handling. The handling of the case raises important concern. On the positive side, the involvement of the law enforcement indicates that the incident was formally processed within the legal system. However, the authorities' response appears to be questionable if transparency communication with the family or thoroughness of investigation was lacking. The court of investigative authorities may have failed to properly address potential institutional responsibility. Focus instead only on surface level explanation without sufficiently examining systemic issue. If this occurred, such an approach would weaken the pursuit of substantive justice. The authorities failed to be properly address public concern if they did not clearly explain investigative finding or legal reasoning. In case involving loss of life, especially within educational institution, a higher standard of diligence is required. Therefore, the handling of the case may be, may be criticized for not fully reflecting the principle of accountability and legal certainty. I'll next with the part of ethical and social implication ethically. Ethically, this case highlights the responsibility of educational institution to prioritize student welfare, mental health support, and safety mechanism. A lack of empathy or transparency in handling such case can deepen public distrust and cause additionally harm to victims' family. Socially, this case has broader implication for how society views the protection of the student within academic environments. The decision and handling of the case may set an important precedent regarding institutional accountability and the seriousness with which students that are treated under the law. Next, I'll explain the last paragraph. It's a conclusion. In conclusion, the death of Timothy raised significant legal and ethical questions concerning negligence, duty of care, and the adequacy of institutional and legal response. While legal mechanisms exist, the address such case, their effectiveness depends on transparent, thorough, and accountable implementation. This case demonstrates the need for stronger legal enforcement and ethical responsibility to ensure justice, protect students, and maintain public trust in educational and legal institutions. So guys, that's all about my explanation from the case, the death of Timothy. Thank you for your attention. Bye bye.